Hey team, so here we are.
Yeah.
I don't know if you could see that. I was laying down, filming this storm. It rolls through. Just more lightning. I know I said the last video was gonna be the last, but it's so fun. Wow. Yeah, I know on the camera the sky looks a little more green than it is. It's not. This camera's got pretty good quality on this iPhone SE. It's a 2021. I want to capture some thunder. Oh my. It scared me. Let's listen for the thunder. There it is. Sounds like it's that way. That's all. I'll update you if this storm gets any closer. Alright, I'm out.